In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Notebook, a versatile tool that facilitates note-taking and organizing your ideas effectively. Let's dive in to explore its key functions step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Notebook site. Once you're there, you'll find a list featuring all your existing notes. If you're just starting, this area will be a blank slate, ready for your thoughts and ideas. The All Notes section is your central hub, where you can easily access and manage all the information you've saved. Next up, you'll want to explore the Write option. This feature allows you to create text notes. Think of it as your digital notepad, perfect for jotting down ideas or drafting longer documents. With Write, you're not just limited to text. You can add checklists and images to enrich your notes. Following this, let's take a look at the Capture option. This feature is particularly beneficial for clipping ideas directly from websites or saving snippets of information you come across online. It ensures that you keep track of those spontaneous inspirations without leaving the Zoho platform. Shifting gears to productivity, there's the To Do feature. This is where you can manage your tasks and create checklists for your day-to-day activities. It keeps everything neat and ensures you don't miss critical deadlines or tasks. Mark each task as complete once it's done, making task management seamless and satisfying. Our next stop is the Attach feature. This allows you to attach files directly to your notes. Whether it's documents, images, or PDFs, having everything related and available at your fingertips makes your notebook comprehensively informative. Let's not forget about creativity. The Draw option lets you integrate sketches or annotations into your notes. This is handy when you need to express ideas visually or simply doodle your thoughts. It's an intuitive way to complement your textual insights with visual flair. Moreover, you have the option to record audio with the Audio feature. This is perfect for capturing spontaneous thoughts when typing isn't convenient, or for recording quick verbal notes during meetings or lectures. Additionally, the Video option is pretty straightforward. Capture videos directly in your notes, which can be particularly useful for visual documentation of ideas or recording walkthroughs. Finally, organizing is made simple with Notebooks, where you can categorize your notes by various topics or projects, keeping your workspace orderly. And don't forget to check out Noteboards for a more visual representation of your notes and whiteboards for collaborative brainstorming, allowing you to map out ideas interactively. With these powerful features, Zoho Notebook offers a comprehensive toolkit for organizing and managing your digital workspace. Whether you are taking quick notes or planning your next big project, it adds efficiency and ease to your every task. Happy organizing!